Hey guys, it's me, Wolf, and today we're going to be watching Thomas the Train TikTok. Let's watch.
Why did they cancel Thomas the Choo-Choo Train? Well, if you didn't know, Thomas was a happy train who transported goods and material. Thomas also had a lot of friends, but with a lot of friends becomes a lot of enemies. Now, one day, Thomas would be starting on his day doing his job, and the conductor would say, "All right, Thomas, you're good to go. Don't forget my McDonald's, extra large, triple bacon McDonald's." Thomas on his head would be like, "If you don't shut his fat ass up," and go on with his day. But while speeding down the train tracks, Thomas would fall down into a ditch out of nowhere, and this angered Thomas. I'm a big crip. When I find out the goofy that did this, I'm killing him, taking him off the map. A couple of days later, one of the guards would fess up to Thomas and tell him who did it. He said it was Splatter and Dodge.
I love Splatter and Dodge.
I'll smoke them goofies tonight on crib. That night, Thomas ended up pulling up to them. Then out of nowhere, Splatter and Dodge would wake up to a loud knock. And it was Thomas. Thomas killed and sliced the freak out of his train.
Okay guys, that was kind of weird. Well, let's watch another one.
That looks weird. I just left. So can I come back and see that?
Never let your cousin find the Thomas filter. Never let your cousin find the Thomas filter. Okay guys, that's do it. Don't put him on me. He's supposed to relax on the table.
No.
Oh God.
He can relax on you. Stop being it.
You know, let's just watch another one. Thomas the Train TikToks. Okay, Thomas. What's he doing? Oh God, no. No! Oh God, please. No, God. No, God, please. No, no, God, no, no, God, please. No. Oh man, let's watch another one. That's the fat controller. Toby, Henry, James. What's happened to you, dude? Toby. Oh, Thomas, it's Thomas. It's Thomas. I'm scared as him. Oh, the fat controller got rid of all the trains. Oh God, eat him. Oh my God. Okay guys, wait, don't peck my ear, dude. Dude, stop it. Get off me. Ah. Okay, let's watch another one. I'm sorry about that. I wish we could go back to the old days, just waking up and seeing this on your screen. Where did the years go? Yeah, imagine if we could go back. Oops. Sorry. Okay, guys, that was kind of cool. I wish we could go back to the old days and see that on our screen. Hey, little guy. Little buddy, can you get on? Can you get on? Can you get on, please? Get on, dude. Get on. Let's put you down here, buddy. There we go. Let's watch another one. It's Thomas the Tank? Nah, it's Choo Choo Charles. I've seen the teaser trailer. Say hello to my little bird friend. That was creepy. Okay, my little friend decided to sit on this chair, so let's watch
I like my love spicy, like I like my flamin' hot Cheetos. I like my love spicy, like I like my flamin' hot Cheetos. I like my.
Okay, guys, that was weird. Buddy, how do you get the whole way there? Let's watch another Thomas the Tank TikTok. Why are all these TikToks cursed? Okay, guys, let's watch a new TikTok. This one.
She died. She lived. Then she served cunt. She died.
Okay, guys, let's watch the last one.
Bro, what just happened to my British meme train? He's not the Thomas I know of. They massacred my boy. Mattel, what in the train tracks is wrong with you? Why'd you have to take over the show, Mattel? Bro.
But anyway, guys, that's all for now. Say hello to my little bird friend. I introduced him to. We're gonna love this video. Okay, he doesn't want to. You guys are awesome and have a nice day.